Alright guys, time for the moment of truth here. We've got a brand new stack on the inside. Remember, motor 4 was making a weird noise even when I swapped on a smaller motor that was brand spanking new. So it was leading me to believe it's the ESC, but we are going to find out and see if it makes. I think it's motor number 4, but we're about to find out. So I'll take that. That's an improvement. Now here's the real test. Will the motor be hot? Will the wires be hot? Because last time the motors were getting real hot, especially number 4, after that little flight test along with the cords. Guess what? Everything feels, quote unquote, normal. Now we can go freestyle it and see how it flies.